How to use Klaviyo marketing platform properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Klaviyo is a powerful marketing platform, but many beginners make mistakes that limit its impact and cost time, money, and conversions. Most people get this wrong, but here's why setting it up correctly from the start is crucial. The first mistake is skipping proper list segmentation. Beginners often send campaigns to their entire email list, but not all subscribers are the same. Use Klaviyo's segmentation features to group customers by purchase history, engagement, or location. For example, a segment for recent buyers can receive product recommendations, while inactive subscribers get re-engagement emails. Another common error is neglecting automated flows. Many users focus only on one-off campaigns, missing the opportunity to automate welcome emails, abandon cart reminders, or post-purchase sequences. Setting up these flows ensures consistent engagement without manual work. Poor email design and copy is another costly mistake. Beginners often copy generic templates without testing. Klaviyo allows app testing of subject lines, content, and send times. Testing improves open rates and conversions significantly over time. Ignoring analytics is also a problem. Klaviyo provides detailed insights into clicks, opens, revenue, and engagement, but beginners often fail to track these metrics. Use these analytics to refine campaigns, improve segmentation, and optimize flows for maximum ROI. Finally, not integrating Klaviyo with your e-commerce platform is a common oversight. Integrations with Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce enable real-time data syncing, ensuring your campaigns are personalized and accurate. To use Klaviyo effectively, segment your lists, implement automated flows, optimize email design and copy, monitor analytics, and integrate with your e-commerce platform. Avoiding these beginner mistakes transforms Klaviyo from a simple email tool into a revenue-driving marketing powerhouse.